Trump wants to abolish the IRS. Sounds like a dream, right? No more tax season stress, no audits, no W-2 withholdings. Hey taxpayers, it's Tiffany Gonzalez CPA here to break down a popular topic in the news, the abolishment of the IRS. But before you start celebrating, let's talk about what this really means for you, your business, your taxes, and the economy as a whole. The IRS collected $4.9 trillion in 2023. That's 90% of the federal government's revenue. That money funds everything from military defense to Social Security to Medicaid to Medicare. So if we get rid of the IRS, where does the money come from? And more importantly, how does it impact you as a business owner, as an individual? One alternative is a national sales tax or a flat tax. Some proposals suggest a 23 to 30% national sales tax to replace the income tax. That means no more paycheck withholdings, but every single purchase would cost significantly more. If your business relies on consumer spending, this could change everything. Would your customers still be willing to buy your product at the same rate, paying 30% more in sales tax? What would that do to your cash flow? Another idea floating around is using tariffs as a primary revenue source. The US already collects around $100 billion in tariffs each year, but to replace income tax revenue, tariffs would have to increase dramatically. That means higher prices on imported goods, electronics, cars, clothing, all things businesses and consumers rely on. This could stimulate American manufacturing, or it could just lead to more inflation. And let's talk about the timing of all of this. Even if Congress passed this plan tomorrow, which is unlikely, it would take years to fully replace the current tax system. The government would need a completely new way to collect and distribute revenue. And realistically, this could take a decade or more. In the meantime, businesses would need to pivot fast. And are you prepared for that kind of shift? Here's the bottom line. If the IRS disappears tomorrow, we're looking at a completely new tax system, higher sales taxes, fewer deductions, tariffs on imports, and major adjustments to everyone's cash flow. This isn't just a policy shift, it's an economic earthquake. So what do you think? Is this a game-changing opportunity or a financial nightmare? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if taxes already feel overwhelming for you, now's the time to prepare because things could get a lot more interesting in the next few years. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until the next video, your favorite CPA, Tiffany Gonzalez.